Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a dropshipping business with Shopify. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your online business, this guide will help you set up your store efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify first. Open Shopify app and create an account. Shopify offers a free trial, so you can explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. Choose a plan that fits your budget and business goals. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for your success. Pick a niche that you're passionate about and has strong market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, or industry reports to analyze trends and competitors. Step 3. Set up your Shopify store. Once your account is created, choose a professional theme that aligns with your brand. Customize your store by adding a logo, brand colors, and a compelling homepage. Make sure your navigation is user-friendly to enhance the shopping experience. Step 4. Find a reliable supplier. For dropshipping, you need trustworthy suppliers. Use apps like Oberlo, Spocket, or DSers to find high-quality products and suppliers that offer competitive prices and fast shipping. Step 5. Add products to your store. Import products from your selected suppliers directly into your Shopify store. Customize product descriptions, images, and pricing to make them appealing to your customers. Focus on high-quality visuals and SEO-friendly descriptions to improve conversions. Step 6. Set up payment methods. To accept payments, go to Settings greater than Payments in your Shopify dashboard. Enable popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify Payments to ensure a seamless checkout process for your customers. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. Since you're running a dropshipping business, ensure your shipping options align with your supplier's capabilities. Set up shipping rates, delivery times, and free shipping options to attract more buyers. You can manage these settings under Settings greater than Shipping and Delivery in Shopify. And that's it. Now you know how to start a dropshipping business with Shopify step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.